Okay, I'm going to show how I put the cowling back on by myself. What I do is I take a piece of safety wire and I wrap it around one part of the cowling. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses because this safety wire could hit you. I come up under here, make sure I'm on either side of my nose gear door. Lift that up, put my knee against it, come around over the spinner, run this safety wire through one of the holes, and hold in place. Okay, so now it's in place long enough for you to start tightening the screws. I tighten 2 on each side. First, the lowest one, this one right there. And then I tighten up the one next to it, next on each side of the cow flap. Okay, those 4 are done. Once those 4 are done, at this point on the RG, you would line up the NACA vent with your oil cooler, and then you tighten up these 2 here. Oops. Right there we go. And line up these 2 here. Okay, those 2 are done. I plug the connector in for the lights. Now I take off this tie wire, it's not needed anymore. And I set it aside. Next, I put the screws in for the flaps and the nose gear door. So I start at one side. This always goes much easier if you remember to grab both wrenches. Okay, then we do the nose gear door. Now's a good time to check the nose gear door bushing. Make sure it's worn. Okay, so you got all that done. So move the prop vertical. Again, let's go opposite direction of how it turned. Get my hands cooking. Go away. Okay, set. Cowling over the engine. Now this one has the Roy Sobchuk baffle behind the spinner, so you got to make sure that goes down right. Now here's the most critical part that makes this go easy. Is you do the top 4 screws first before you worry about the front. If you do the front first, you'll never get these 4 done. Done. Now you go back and do the front of the cowling. So put that up. Hold on, make sure that your Tinnerman nut didn't get knocked out of place. There's a Tinnerman nut right here. Make sure that's in place in the proper location. Okay. Now you come along and finish the rest of the soft coat fasteners. No. Same thing on this side. Of course I get it. There you go. Okay, and then get your screws. I always start with the front. Just remember the short screws go in the center, because if you use longer screws in there, you're going to hit the ring gear, and that's going to cost you a lot of money. Those 2 are in. Whatever you do, don't drop a screw now into the intake. You're going to have to take it all apart. You might get lucky and find it. Now go ahead and put on the rest of them. You got 2 more here. And then remember, this was a Tinnerman nut, so it's a number 10. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So get your little pick. I can see the Tinnerman in there just ever so slightly, not fully lined up. So you solve that problem. Come over here. I like to work my way from inside to outside. Two more. Oh, and I make sure there's a plastic washer on the Tinnerman nut. I mean on the sheet metal screw that goes in the Tinnerman nut. That is it. Cowling's in and done. Make sure it doesn't hit. Complete.